All right, it's that time again. We got a lot of great new rides on the lot this week. I'm going to show you all the brand new inventory, and typically I would show you all the current inventory along with the new. This time I'm just going to stick with the brand new inventory that nobody's seen yet, giving you an exclusive first look, which is why I call these videos sneak peeks. And if you want more info about any of the current inventory that Maple Motors has, head on over to maplemotors.com and let me know if you guys prefer this format of just sticking to the new rides, or if you want to see everything on the lot, even if you may have already seen it before. Now, something else exciting about all these new rides you're about to see is we've been hearing your guys' feedback of lately there's been a disproportionate amount of automatics on the lot. So Maple Motors has listened and they've switched it up this week. The majority of all the new rides on the lot this week are either 4 or 5 speed manuals, which I know some of you are going to appreciate. And we're starting off front and center with this matching numbers 1964 Pontiac GTO, priced at $37,900. It's got a 4-speed manual. Let's take a look. Next new ride on the lot over here in Corvette Corner is this 1970 Chevy Corvette, priced at $22,900. It's a 4-speed. The next brand new ride we're looking at is this 1967 Chevy Camaro. It's priced at $38,900 and it's a 5-speed. That's a nice change of pace. Let's take a look at it. Now, if you're not a fan of the styling on that 67, we got another new ride. This one's another 1967 Chevy Camaro. It's priced at $34,900. It's got a big block connected to a 4-speed. For you truck guys, if you're looking for something a little newer, although this is technically still a classic, it's a 1995 Chevy 1500 pickup, priced at $15,900. Let's take a closer look. Where's the Monte Carlo guys at? We got another new one on the lot this week. It's a 1975 Chevy Monte Carlo, and it's priced at $13,900. A classic under $14,000 is always appreciated. Let's take a closer look at it. And we're going to round it out with this 1970 Chevy El Camino, priced at $24,900. Seems like the last few weeks there's always a new El Camino on the lot. Let's take a closer look at this one. Let me know in the comments which of these new rides is your favorite. My personal opinion, I think we saved the best for first. That 64 GTO is calling my name. I'll be surprised if it's still here next week. And once again, let me know if you prefer this style of just focusing on the new rides, the new inventory of the week. I appreciate the feedback, and I thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.